Congratulations, you have clicked on this video. And today, I'm going to be playing as Batman. The reason why you can't hear music right now, one, for copyright reasons, and two, I want to throw in my own music. Good. I'm back at the Batcave. But, in the meantime, let's see what Alfred's doing. Alfred, where are you? Alfred, where are you? I don't see you. Alfred, where are you? Alfred, where are you? Where are you? I heard you. Are you down there? No. Are you over there? No. Oh. Alfred, where are you? Where are you? Oh. Hello. I didn't know you were standing there. Alright, Alfred. Are you telling me that I need to take a new look? Quite, sir. You noticed your costume has a little bit of bullet holes in it. Alfred, I do not have time to just mess around and wear a costume. Alright, sir. You can wear your turn-up cape. Alright, see ya. I failed there. I am free falling, free falling. I am free. Wait, what? But I'm here to only interrogate this gang. Okay, fine. You wanna fight? We're gonna fight. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, bow, cha-lia, doodle, wacha, no. It looks like I won. Okay, time for a real goal. I must find somewhere or something to investigate. What was that previous mission I was thinking of? Sir, I have reports of a massive gang fight. Please go interrogate it. I have set it on your bat map. Thank you, Alfred. You're very helpful a lot of days.
This looks like the spot.
Yep.
Gotta find that canister.
Alrighty then. The idea that's gonna be really stupid. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Come with me.
Where's the canister? No way. You'll never find it.
Shut up, Bane. I have a tracker on your schedule. Right. Oh, true. Okay, looks like I need to be a detective. My detective skills are a little bit rusty, but I can manage. Alright. Scanning. Bird feathers.
Looks like they're heading to my alibi.
Where's your alibi? But I think he's right. I should change the suit. There are chemicals in this suit. But I have the perfect idea. The best outfit that will basically blow everybody's mind. I think Alfred knows which outfit I need. Alfred, it's time. We need the special outfit. Righty, sir. Alrighty then. Your outfit has been fitted with the latest art of standardization. This outfit will make you invincible. So make sure you use it wisely, because it could cause devastation after devastation. You got that, Bruce? I got it. Perfect. This is the outfit that I need. Finally, out of a long, hard trip. Alright, keep scanning the area. Progress completed.
Looks like they're heading to my
What did you get for me? Alright, I'm ready for you. That's how it's done. Well, that was fun. Where do I enter? Alright. We're gonna enter. Those crows look creepy. Alright, there's a door here. I really don't like doors. Man inside the Myalio or something. Pretty dark in here, not gonna lie. But we must keep moving on. Oh, I forgot, I'm not playing Xbox. Oh. Whoa. I wonder if they sell collectible shoes. Because I only am wearing... Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh, value. Oh. Okay. Same here. Boom! 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 Oh no! No, 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 no. Gotta get up. Hurrah! Boom! Let me just beat you guys up, and then I'll waste my time on the veins later. But I have a plan that is so perfect. It is gonna guarantee to work. Yeah. Boom! I'm surprised that actually worked. I love these gloves. Any last words? Wow. That would work, maybe. He's in jail. I should know. I strapped him in there. search whatever that bird thing is. Oh, tables. I want to know what this club is, but yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I had a blast making it. It's just a wonderful time being Batman and stuff were on fire. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Comment down below. Hit the subscriber button. Dislike if you like. Please make sure you guys say that I want more Batman. Just type in the bottom Batman AW ... or exclamation point or whatever, because I just love making